Namaste. Greetings for the day. My pranams to my gurus and my seniors, love to my peers, and blessings to the juniors. I am PEM Prashanti, one of the products of BHPV English Medium School, Vishakhapatnam. I am going to recite my self composed prose poetry titled BHPV Reunion Bus now. Nurtured wise, steered towards success, spread wide, stamped with pride. Fruition thrives, fervently seeking roots to the alma mater, ideas sprouted together. Tributes to pay, homage pending to repay. Not just any union, make it mega, all in unison. Thought being the best, universe conspired, stalling everything that's against. Plan set in motion, pupil with zeal, dealt it with precision. What unfurled is humongous success indeed. Going into the details, the alumnus, that's us, call ourselves the most fortunate and grateful to the fate for bringing Miss Ratnakumari and Mr. Koka Prasad Garu together. We owe the success of the magnificent show to the stunning ideology presented by our own Yesudas fame Mr. Shiva and Rafael popular queen Miss Radhika. The taking off moment when the tiny seed took a turn to make a hugely successful memorable event possible. Reaching out to friends near and far, seniors and juniors. The institution, which is a solid proof of our success story, took the most part of our exciting dream time, longing to reach back. WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whichever way probably didn't matter. Maximum participation seeking, efforts put out worth admiring. Thus started the buzz, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Global gyration towards a city of destination, all modes of transportation sought for reservation. Every event to elevate the anticipation, all groups active day and night with ardent participation. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Programs planned and delegated, committees created, invites distributed. Teasers adorned the groups, senses teased. Past memories captured on social platforms showcased. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. The excitement was like fever in the blood. Friends flew in from all over the world. Hospitality and love showered by the childhood friend, simmering energies overflowing like flood. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Thrill experienced entering into the township gates. Every bush, tree, road releasing the memory breaks. School campus like a magnet we gravitate. Towards it, the inner child woke up to keenly gyrate. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Decades disappearing, scores of years scored off. Years of being apart forgotten with a laugh. Friends fretting, feverishly waiting. Hello there, wow, here, hugs hailing. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Eyes searching, whole being quivering. All senses enjoying, heart's love overpowering. Special moments recapturing, in happiness crying. Memories reminiscing, childhood dramas unveiling. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. All in and over 40s, energized like in teens. Bags, t-shirts, badges and lovely tokens, actively in perfect sync, distributed at the reception. Friends chattering, photographers busily shooting the scene. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Backbenchers, first rankers, all leveled even, eager to welcome the gurus on carpet petals strewn. Guru's acknowledgement equaling a world record win. Entrepreneur, achiever, teacher and all at their feet to fawn. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion fizz. Introvert, extrovert, all a grand convert. Seeing friends after decades, forget self and shout. Air filled with laughter, spring in everyone's gate. Anticipation, expectation, admiration is high and all about. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Shy ones revealing their once upon crushes, grown-ups expressing their feelings with blushes. Caning and teenage humiliation advocated in openly laughed jubilation. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Who said we grew up? Seen us on the ground? Who could control our excitement? Teachers only, don't be astounded. Loving the prayer today, memories rushed abound. Ground vibrating with crackling, invigorating sound. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Teens to date, defined with personality, paying respects due to the designer of this quality. Every teacher recognized for their great ability, felicitated with heart and soul in humility. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Past frictions, chaffing grudges, laughed at, wiped out. Present life, family, follies, nothing seems fraught. Photo shoot, funny anecdotes, duly a want. Raffle sold, thrumming friction, wishing to win and flaunt. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Oh, our old classrooms raining, benches climbing. Laughter resounding, memories crowding. Back to school, board hoarding, maximum appealing. Going to shops adjoining, part of our happy schooling. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Mango jelly, pickled mango slices and many a gooseberry. Every child's fascinating memory. Displayed at the lunch counter duly, invoked, revoked, evoked, childhood in all its glory. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. In between catching up, appetizing banquet smells lure, drawing us towards a spread, mouth-watering sure. Catering caringly for 178 countries hailed friends, loving home reminding dishes, awakening taste buds. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Artists, dancers, singers, musicians, every brilliant school product. Comparing, inviting, we awash with our school's eclat. Stage reverberating with excellence in talent. Audience glued in friends loving company in fact. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Emotion spilled around rendered us speechless. Dumbfound, we were all breathless. This emotional rapture isn't a weakness. Thanks to all, joy in our hearts is now fathomless. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Songs on the scintillating stage, dancers off stage in an uproaring race. None whatever in embrace, outrageous and sweet to engage. Bus, that is us, with mega reunion feast. Bright brilliance glowing on everyone's face, school which shaped us, giving us another chance to recapture and recreate moments in this phase, a fabulous day to cherish till we meet to enhance. Shining sun tired and withdrew to sing down the hills in splendid view. But heart soaring yet heavy, tiredly untiring, bonded friendship patently patient, unwilling for parting. Hopes and dreams fulfilled, yearnings and plans set astride. To meet and catch up when the time permits, bid adieu to darlings in loving abyss. Dear BHPV, forever for us, Elan. Fond memories with us, we are always together as one. Thank you so much.